Tomato fish soup. Soup is fresh, fish is tender. It has nutrition. Springtime kids drink this soup can help grow. No more snow. Water is very clear. You can use any fish fillet. Cut basa fillet into small pieces, set aside. Cut one onion into small pieces. It can enhance soup taste. Add the tomatoes across on top. Pour the boiling water. This way can peel the skin easily. Cut peeled skin tomato into cubes. Add coriander. Here are the ingredients: fish, tomato, coriander, onion. Heat the pan, heat the oil, add the salt. Add the onion. Stir fry 10 seconds. Add tomatoes. Stir fry 2 minutes until tomatoes are soft. Add water. Boil for 5 minutes. Add ketchup. Add some mushrooms. Add basa fish fillet. 1 spoon of pepper powder. Half spoon of chicken powder. Cornstarch. Mix it well. Add coriander. I share cooking videos every day. Please subscribe. Hope you like this video. This is very delicious tomato and fish soup. You can try to cook for your family. Now let's try it. Fish is very tender, no fish smell. Soup is fresh. Hope you are happy every day. April spring, the weather is fabulous. I went out for a walk this afternoon. It feels great.